Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So guys, if you're trying to download apps from your app store but you're facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to your profile, and from here you have to simply tap on media and purchases, tap on view account and wait here for some seconds, and now you have to tap on country or region and select your country or region correctly. And tap on continue. Again tap on agree button from here. And from here you have to simply add your payment method from here. And if you don't have any payment method, then you have to simply tap on none button. And after this, give here your billing address, and then you have to give here your phone number and your first name and last name. So guys, put all the information correctly, and after this save this information on your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to close all the windows, and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.